Hi there! Today we are going to be learning about baking muffins.
Let's begin by removing the muffins from the freezer and placing them in the muffin pans. Once finished, transfer the muffin pans to a rack. Let them sit at room temperature for 30 minutes to an hour, or until completely thawed. Once the muffins are completely thawed, top them with the desired toppings as instructed on the baking instruction sheets. Blueberry, pistachio, and raisin bran muffins are topped with coarse crystal sugar. Banana nut muffins get topped with chopped walnuts. Almond poppy muffins get topped with sliced almonds. Chocolate chip and double chocolate chip muffins are topped with chocolate chips. Bake in a rack oven at 350 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes or until the muffins are finished. Once the muffins are finished baking, let them cool thoroughly before packaging. Let's review. Make sure the muffins are completely thawed before baking. Follow all handling and storage instructions listed on the muffin box. While traditionally a breakfast food, 25% of muffin purchases occur during the afternoon hours of the day.